Okay, this is how to track pending sales. So we've got all of the property zoned here in this Google Sheet, and any of the pending ones are in green. So we want to put in the projected close date and then put in the EMD amount and make sure it's paid. We haven't been tracking whether they've been paid, and they haven't been paying the EMD. And then they do their inspections, and then 4 weeks goes by and we're asking them to close and they say no, and we'll say, well, we're keeping your earnest money because they're past their contingency period and they never put in earnest money. So this will allow us to track the end of the inspection period and then require them to either respond and ask for inspection items to be completed or to mutually release. That way we save time, and we can also track the inspection items, notes, and appraisals.